Hi guys, this is the fourth video in our calculation trick series, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to multiply two numbers by just drawing lines, and that's a very easy method. You must learn it in very few time. So let's proceed and see an example. Okay, so the example is, can you multiply 12 and 13 by just drawing lines? Well, if you know it, you can do it. I know. So let's see how can we do it. This we have the numbers 12 and 13. So what we do is we take digits starting from left hand side and then proceed. Okay, so first of all we take 1 and draw one line in some orientation. Okay, then after that we take the number 2, and then after leaving some space we draw two more lines. Okay, and after that we start drawing in opposite orientation, which is for, because we have to multiply it, we draw from this side. Okay, so what is the next number? The next number is 1. So we draw one line in this orientation. Okay, so after that the next number is 3. So after leaving some space we draw 3 line in this orientation. Now the most technical part comes in, and that is we have to count the number of intersection here. Okay, got it. For counting the intersection, first we have to divide this whole figure into few parts. In this case we have three parts. Okay, and the three parts are these parts. We just divide in here, like we just draw a line from here and here, and this is the first reason, this is the second reason, and this is the third reason. Okay, and we count the number of intersections in each of these reasons. Okay, so let's count the number of intersections in this first reason. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6 points here. So we write 6.6, the number 6, on the ones place digit. Okay. After that, we count this part, which is 3 and 2, 5. So we write 5 here, and after that, we count this, which is 1. So simple, our answer is 156. This is as easy as that. You can see it. Okay. So let's proceed to a second question for better understanding. So our second question is this. Okay, we have to calculate the multiplication of 23 and 14. Okay, so we have done it the same manner, like first we started with 2. We draw two lines in this orientation, black lines for black numbers and blue lines for blue numbers. Okay, then after leaving some space we have drawn three lines here, because the here is the number 3, and then change the orientation. For 14 we draw one line first, then after leaving some space we draw four lines. Okay, you can see. Now we divide it into few parts by drawing lines. Okay, so we have divided it into three parts and count the numbers. Here the number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have 12 intersection point in the first reason. So we have written 2 here and carry 1. So 1 to 12. Okay, because we can accommodate only one digit. So we carry 1 forward. In the second reason we have 4, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 points. So we write 1 here and carry 1 to the next digit. Okay, and in third reason we have 2 intersection points. So we write 2 here, and then we write the final answer by adding these carries, and which is 322. Okay, I think this method is clear to you. And most important part of this method is that we can also do it for three digit numbers. Okay, let's see how we can do this. So this is our question, which is we have to multiply 123 and 212. Okay, see how can we do it. So we draw the same thing. First we draw For 123 means one line, then after leaving some space, two lines, then after leaving some space, three lines. Okay. Then for multiplication, we change the orientation. Then for the number 2 and 2, we draw two lines, then after leaving some space, one line, then after leaving some space, two lines. Okay. And the most important part here is dividing it into few parts. So we are going to divide it into five parts. Okay, because there are, you can see, one, two, three, four, and five vertical sections. So we have to calculate the number of points in each vertical section. For that, we are going to divide it into five parts. So one, two, three, four, and five regions. You can see we have some points in first region, then we have some points in second region, then we have some points in third region, and then fourth and fifth. Okay, so after that we calculate the number of intersection points as we have done before. So we have 6 points here, we write 6. Then we have in second region 7 points, so we write 7. In third region we have 10 points. You can see we have 10 points, so we write 0 here and then 1 carry forward. In the fourth region we have 5 points, we write 5. In the last region we have 2 points, so we write 2. And after adding the carry, we will get to the final answer, which is 26076. Okay, I think the matter is clear to you. So this is all for today.